wind's got it.
The wind's got it.
Dadgummit. Turn. Turn. Sometimes I need a second person. Sometimes. Welcome back to Delta Ridge Fab Build Channel. Today's episode, we are going to flip this bad boy over and put the panels in on the other side, do some finish welding, some blending, and we're gonna put these things on the rack and send them off. I'm kind of tired of working on them. So stick around. Gotta hold your tongue just right to make this work. Down, 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 down. Go move the stand. Might work. Stands in a bad spot. All right, try that. There we go. I am sorry, but I just realized I didn't record any of the last little bit of work on this. So the backside panels are in. The corners are all blended down nice and smooth. Yeah, blended out real nice and smooth. This one's done. Stick a fork in it. All right. Not too bad, not too bad. Now, of course, I just have to repeat this process all over again. The next one should go really fast though, because you know, all the bends are done, all the cuts are done, or all the main cuts are done. And I've already built one. So the next one should go relatively quickly compared to this one. And then we're gonna ship these things off to powder and get them out of here. Go hang them, get paid. It's gonna be good. Can't wait to see these installed. We will probably do another short video when they get back from powder, just to give you guys an update. So for now, that is it. That actually concludes the fabrication part of this 8-gate build series. So we'll catch you later after powder, and then we'll do an install video as well. So we'll see you.